Welcome! In front of me I have Suunto Race, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch needs to be paired with your phone via the Suunto application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue, and now we can open the Suunto application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app, you should see the home page. Now tap on the device icon on the top of the app. Basically, there is this device icon. Tap on it. Here you should see your Suunto Race. Once it says connected, scroll down and find the option called notifications on watch. Once you find it, tap on it, turn on the notifications, and if you don't have the required permissions enabled, you will see this pop-up and you can tap on allow. It will redirect you to this page, device and app notifications, and what you need to do is to find the Suunto application, tap on it and tap on the switch next to allow notification access. And once you allow the notification access, go back and you will see this page. And here we can also turn on the notifications for calls and messages by tapping on the switch. And if you turn them on, you will need to allow the required permissions for them to work. And if you want to customize the notifications for applications, you need to tap on application notifications. And here we can enable and disable the notifications for the apps, as you can see. And we can do it by tapping on the switch next to app we want. And how it works is basically if you enable the notification for the app and you receive the notification from that app on your phone, that notification will be forwarded to your watch. And if you disable it, it won't be forwarded to your watch, of course. As you can see, the list of the apps is limited. I believe it will fill in with other apps once you receive some notifications from them, but I am not sure. Let's check. As you can see, it says it right here. Only the apps that frequently send the notifications are listed below. So if you receive some notifications from the app, it should appear right here on the list. So I'm gonna send myself a message on the Discord. We got the notification on Discord, and it also apparently appeared on the watch, even though we didn't turn it on. So let's go back to the app, device, wait until it's done syncing. Okay, open the notifications on watch, app notifications, and the Discord appeared right here and it turned on automatically, as you can see. Okay. And that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.